but see you running off and through my mind. I'm a piece like a baby, sensual disguise. I can't help but love you.
All right, y'all, we are going to start with clean hands and clean chicken. Because, girl, I don't care what they say. I'm cleaning the bird, okay? The bird has to be clean. I'm also going to be using my own blend of seasoning. Because, girl, who's going to be going in the cabinet, keep grabbing seasoning and opening up and closing up and all that? We had put everything in the bowl. It's about 2 tablespoons of everything. I'm going to include that on the screen. We're going to flip that chicken over. Season heavily. I did use my right hand to put in the seasoning for the underside of the chicken because, girl, we don't cross-contaminate over here, okay? Flip it again, girl. We left the skin on because we need that fat from under that skin and we need that flavor from that skin, okay? You do what you want to do. To add even more flavor, I decided to add unsalted butter on my chicken. Now, if you want to do olive oil, do olive oil, okay? It's your kitchen, girl. Do whatever you want. But again, flavor, flavor, flavor. And someone in the comments, please remind me to clean that oven out, okay? Just put in the comments so I remember, girl. While the chicken is baking, we're going to start the pasta for the mac and cheese. I'm using 1.5 pounds of elbow macaroni. And girl, yeah, just go ahead on and salt the water heavily and let's stir that up. And while this is cooking, we're going to start the fried cabbage, girl. So just in case you don't know how to cut cabbage, this is how I'm cutting it, okay? You can do it however you like, but this is how I'm cutting it for this particular recipe. So this is how I usually cut my cabbage for my fried cabbage. Just FYI if you want to know that. All right, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you are enjoying Soul Food Sunday, please leave me a comment saying so. And also, if you would like this to continue, leave me some ideas in the comment section about what you would like me to cook on Soul Food Sunday, girl. I'm going to be using this onion in the fried cabbage and in my chicken. But while you're sitting here watching me chop this onion, let me know in the comments, what did you cook today for Soul Food Sunday, girl? Okay? Even if it's not soul food, girl, just tell me in the comments anyway, because I'm nosy and I want to know, girl, okay? It's time to drain the pasta. And what I noticed was I didn't have it al dente. It was a little bit over al dente, but it was okay. We drained it at the nick of time, girl. We drained that nick of time. Okay, so that's what we did here. And actually the softer noodle made for a fluffier mac and cheese. So, girl, I caught her just in time, girl. So we drained her. We poured her into our glass pan. I'm situating my noodles. I'm going to go ahead and add that seasoning blend again. Because, again, who in and out them cabinets? Okay? Now, I have different recipes for my mac and cheese. None of them, sidebar, includes a roux. No shade, okay? No shade. I'm just saying. But I do have different macaroni and cheese recipes. This is the easiest one for me, where I make a cheese sauce and put my seasonings and all the things like that. But I've never ever made a macaroni and cheese that includes a roux. I wasn't raised that way, girl. I don't know how to do that. I don't know where that came from. No shade again, but shade. I'm not that girl, okay? So what I did here, I add 1/2 stick of butter. I did maybe 2 cups of milk. And I also did like a cup of heavy cream. And also my seasoning blend, girl. We can't leave her out. I did add parsley for color. And I'm going to be using cheddar jack cheese and Colby jack cheese. Again, a Sunday dinner. It's not Thanksgiving, not Christmas. It's just a Sunday dinner. So those are the cheeses that I used. I also am not mad at Velveeta. Honey, I will use Velveeta anytime. Okay? I saw that my cheese sauce was trying to break on me. But again, I caught her in a nick of time. Smooth and creamy. And we went on ahead and poured her on that seasoned mac and cheese. I forgot to tell y'all that I did add cheese, shredded cheese, into the pasta and stirred that in because it's going to give a cheese pull and just have that cheese just all through the mac and cheese. So I forgot to show you guys that, or I didn't press record, girl. I was going through it in that kitchen, okay? At this point with the mac and cheese, girl, my arms were getting tired, okay? I was getting tired of stirring this mac and cheese and putting this together. Y'all should have seen how many times I had to edit this out because I kept stopping because my arms was hurting. But girl, here we have it. And please don't come for me for using bag cheese. Again, Sunday dinner at home. I ain't trying to impress nobody. I just want it delicious. If you want to shred your cheese, girl, shred your cheese. I also added some parsley for a little razzle dazzle, girl. Now that the chicken is done, we are going to take that beautiful, succulent chicken thigh, girl, and we're going to take all those juices in the bottom of that pan and pour into the Pyrex, girl. I said the Pyrex, okay? What you see floating at top is the chicken fat, and the rest is all that flavor at the bottom, girl. That's what I was talking about with the chicken skin. Very, very important. Since I've used so much butter already, let's take a break from it and use some olive oil. So that's what I'm doing with the onions for the chicken. We're going to saute it down just a little bit to get those onions nice and tender, girl, and ready to surrender. Okay. 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. This is going to be used as a thickening agent for our chicken gravy. And we're going to cook that down until that raw flavor comes off of there. Now we're going to pour all that goodness into the pan with the onions, olive oil, and flour. And the key to this gravy is cream of chicken with herbs. Campbell's, okay? That's what I always use, and it is absolutely delicious. My kitchen whisk is usually the tool I would use this time, but I have been absolutely destroying my pots with my metal whisk, so the silicone spoon had to come in clutch, girl. I'm just saying. We're going to add some more seasoning from the blend. We've already added our parsley because parsley just always make a dish super pretty, girl. Okay? Just really pretty. Let's take that luscious, luxurious gravy and pour it right back on that chicken. Like so, girl. Girl, this kind of stuff excites me. While I'm editing this, I really wish I would have wiped around my ceramic pan. That's really bothering me. And we're going to put her right back in the oven on 350. Okay? Since I did my big one and everything is in the oven, it is time to hyper focus on this cabbage. She is prepped and cut, and the only thing we need to do is wash the cabbage. Okay? In this kitchen, everything get washed. So that's what we're going to do, girl. I always start my fried cabbage base with bacon. If you can't do bacon, pick the meat or the protein of your choice. Okay? What I'm cooking today is not set in stone, girl. Okay? You can do whatever you want to this. This is my interpretation of my soul food Sunday. Okay? So you can make it whatever you'd like to make it. But I always start with bacon, bacon fat, and then I'm going to use the other half of that onion for the fried cabbage like we talked about earlier, girl. We're adding the fresh, cleaned, washed cabbage to the bacon fat and the onions. I'm going to mix that around. We're not going to season yet. Add the lid and let it wilt down a little bit. While that is wilting, we had to take the mac and cheese out. Now me, I don't like a hard cheesy crust on top of my macaroni and cheese. I love it luscious, soft, and buttery like you see here. It's time to check our cabbage. We're going to give it a nice toss. We're going to make sure everything has wilted down nicely so we can begin to add more cabbage. Let's season this half of the cabbage. We're going to toss it. Make sure everything's combined again, girl. And it's time to add more crispy, fresh cabbage. Let's season, add bacon, and let's give it a toss. And we're going to let her do her thing and cook down. And we will be eating very soon, girl. Red pepper flake is completely optional, but we love to have it in our cabbage. We're going to put that lid down and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. And girl, baby, this is the final result. And I'm just going to stop talking, okay? Give y'all a moment of silence. Leave you to your own devices and let y'all enjoy this part, okay? I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This was from the heart, girl, okay? This is what your girl loved to do. I love to cook, I love to feed people, and I love to make people happy through my food. So I hope that's what I accomplished today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you enjoy my voiceover, leave it in the comment, girl, because I'm not a voiceover girly, okay? But I had a little fun with this one. I will see you guys next Sunday. Bye.
It's getting better all the time. I can't help it if I want to. I can't help it. I can't help it. I can't help it. No, I can't help it.